I just picked this up yesterday at Harbor Freight, the best tool store there is on the planet. For not for tools or camera or anything, but for my drone. So I'm looking to put my drone into the case. So I'm going to work on putting the drone as I'm showing it. It's not much of an unboxing, but I'm going to show you around it. I'll just play all the details in regards to it, and let's take a look at the case.
Apache 4800 Weatherproof Protective Hard Plastic Case X Extra Large Orange Drone Mavic Mini 205-29-2020. Cost $43.99. Harbor Freight. https://www.harborfreight.com/480-weatherproof-protective-case-x-large-orange-56866.html. Product overview. Protect cameras, microphones, handguns and other specialized equipment with this exceptionally rugged Apache registered sign. Weatherproof storage case. Constructed from extremely durable polypropylene, this professional quality hard case takes a beating while protecting the contents from impact, moisture and microscopic dust. The built-in purge valve equalizes pressure so you can open the case after changing elevations. IP65 rated watertight and dustproof pick and pull foam insert for impact absorbing protection. Strong, secure, easy open latches. Adjustable pressure relief valve equalizes pressure for easy opening. Pre-drilled for 2 padlocks, locks sold separately. Super strong reinforced polypropylene construction. Interior dimensions 17, 7/8 and x12, 7/8 and x6, 1/4 in. Owner's manual and safety instructions. PDF. Important information comes with pick and pull foam insert. Other items in case not included. Specifications: screw S 56866 brand Apache model 4800 certification IP65 color orange inside length in 17, 7/8 in. Inside height in 6, 1/4 in. Inside width in 12, 7/8 in. Material polypropylene with rubber seals. Product height 7, 3/8 in. Products length 20, 5/16 in. Products width 15, 1/2 in. Shipping weight 9.75 pounds. CA residence warning. Prop 65 info note. Specifications are approximate and subject to change. Warranty. We guarantee this product to be free from defects in materials and workmanship 90 days from the date of purchase. Limitations apply.
I'm gonna set it up the way I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put the thinnest one. I don't want to. I'm not gonna use this area to break out the pieces. Just gonna use this. So the way I'm gonna use it is, this is my utility bag. It's got it's a baby bag that I'm using so I can see through it. So it has a flashlight if I need extra cables and things like that, extra chargers. And so I'm gonna keep that there. I'm also probably going to put, this is the charger that I use. So this is a combination of a cigarette lighter charger. So I use this charger when I'm charging at home, so that I could use this charger to charge my devices, so that way I don't have to keep switching back and forth. So I use this in the car. When I'm at home and I'm charging, I just plug this into this area here. I've done a video on this, and that'll allow me to charge the device in the home with all the cables. I'll place pretty much everything. Place this on top. Hopefully it'll fit. Then I'll place my drone with a custom cutout from another case that I'm not using. I'm going to use this case because it's a lot bigger. But I'm going to use the custom part of the case. My iPad holder for the case. These are the propeller protectors to protect the propellers if I fly with it. This is my landing gear. I've done videos on all this. The landing gear so I can land on water. So this would just sit here for now. And pretty much that's it. That's everything I'm going to carry with me. Close it. I'm having problems closing it. Okay. So that's not going to work. Is it this? Yep. Oh, it's going to be this here. Let me take this out. So I'm removing the top piece so I can have more space. And setting this down. These screws in here so they don't get lost. And I'm not sure I'm going to be using this propeller thing anyway. I'm going to move this out of the way. And that should be good. Let me try it now. Okay. Yeah, the propeller. That is going to be something I'm not going to carry with me, I guess. Let me try something else. So I'm going to remove this top piece. It seems like it's not working. I'm going to use it like this. So this is pretty much, I'm going to have to put it like that. I have my, try to keep it together. Put these things here. On the inside, as you can see, put the holder on top, and may have to put this here. Perfect, it fits perfectly. Put this sideways. Okay. Charger. Yeah. Put this here and the iPad right on top. Perfect. Beautiful. This will hold it down so it won't move while I'm walking with it. I already tried it. It works really well. So this is my setup. This is everything I need in the home and outside of the home when I'm charging or in someone else's home or whatever have you. And this will allow me to use my device. I might actually get away with sliding it back here. Yep, that's even better. So I'm sliding it. I slid the iPad back there, and now everything fits nice and snug and easy. All right, I like it. I really do. Maybe I'll put this on top, kind of keep it in place, and that way things won't move around. That's easy. Yep, perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Fits perfectly. Awesome. So this is great. It's heavy, but I like it. I like it a lot. This is the case from Harbor Freight for $54. I had a 20% off coupon, which is good until next month. I think the 31st, either the 30th or the 3rd of the month of next month. So look up Harbor Freight coupon, you'll find it 20% off. So I saved an additional $11 on this, so I actually got it for about $43 and change, $44 total plus tax. It's a nice case, and I'm using it for my drone. So I really, really like it. All right, so that's a look at the case. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.